are going to do the question number 8. And here we have two tables which are more similar to a new feedback query. They're using so today we have to find from this table which students are more similar to the new feedback query using Euclidean Manhattan and Chebyshev and cosine similarity. Then we will normalize the vector and recompute equivalent distance. The given data is S1, S2, S3 student line, and A1, A2 are their feedback queries. So first let's move on to the equivalent distance. Let P is equals to P1, P2 be the student vector, and Q is equals to Q1, Q2 equal to 1.4, 1.6 be the vary vector. So D is equals to P by Q. P1 minus Q1 square plus P2 minus Q2 square will be equal to the full formula. I will apply this formula. So we have S1 is equal to 0.1414, S2 is approximately equal to 0.3603, S3 is equals to 0.2828, and S4 is equals to 0.1000, S5 is equal to 0.722. So we have student feedback pairs like this, and now we will be ranking. So S1 equivalent distance is equal to 0.100, so rank will be 2. As we know, it sees the maximum value and ranks accordingly. So 0.100 will be 1, and then 1.14 will be 2, 0.2828 will be 3, and 0.3603 equal to 4. Now moving on to the Manhattan, we have S4 is equals to 0.100, S1 is equals to 0.1414, and S3 is equal to 0.2828 and 0.3606, and S5 is equal to 0.721. Ranking is to S4 to S1 to S3 to S2 S5. Now moving on to the Manhattan ranking, Manhattan distance. So here we have S1 is equals to 0.2200, S2 is equal to 0.500, and S3 is equals to 0.4000, and S4 is equals to 0.1000, and S5 is equals to 1.000. So the Manhattan distance and the rank will be S4, S1, uh, S3, S4, and S5 respectively. Moving on to the supremum, we have this values pairs, and we will be ranking them accordingly. So S4 and S5 there is a tie, so the ranking will be S1 and S4 tie, then S3, then S2, then S5. Now looking at the sign similarity, the formula as we know is P into Q upon modulus of P into Q, which is the formula of cos inverse also, I guess, by finding the angle. So the S1 is approximately equals to 1.0 something, and S2 is approximately equal to 0.9998, S4 is equal to 0.995, S3 is equal to 0.9915, and S5 equals 0.945. So the ranking would be S1, S2, S4, S3, and S5. Now looking at the normalized including a distance. So normalized Q is equals to 1.4, 1.6 upon 2 into 2.1260, which will be approximately equal to 0.6585 and 0.7526. Therefore, the rank will be S1, S2, S4, S3, and S5. So the across all measures, the closest student to the query are S1, S2, and S4, while S5 is the least similar, simple, clear, and effective. So we have done the question number 6, question number 8 here. And the next video we will moving on to the question number